Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong meron, kung anong ating mababasa, ng ating titingnan. Okay? So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo ng image, ng picture, yes, magsabi lang kayo kay admin. I-send niya yung actual picture ng mga items. Okay? So, meron tayong protection from evil eye. So, yun yung parang pinoprotektahan sa atin na tayo ay mabatuhan ng negative energies, negative na mga salita ng ibang tao. Okay? Kaya tayo nasasabotahe. Ha? Okay. So, yun ang kanyang pinoprotect pagdating sa atin, yung ating energy. And, sa love, ang ating love bracelet, pwede sa singles, pwede sa may mga conflict sa kanilang mga kakonek. Okay? And yes, nagpo-provide yan ng kailangan sa connection. And, syempre, yung ating granter necklace, which is made to order. Again, made to order. So, okay. So, si granter, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Okay? Siyempre, kahit hindi ka humingi, merong ibibigay si granter. And syempre, yung ating cord cutting, pang cord cut. So, yeah. Pag-aalis ng mga hindi na kailangang energies na nakakapit pa sa'yo. Oo. Kaya bumibigat. Oo. Kung ano man ang situation. Okay. So, let's start. Okay. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, what's for you? Anong message o mensahe for air signs? Messages for air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, the star! Healing energy. In general, this is talking about healing. Okay? Physical, mental, emotional. Okay, the star. Being hopeful. What's with that star? The Queen of Cups. This is healing, I think. Emotion. Oo. Some of you. There's progress. Ako nakikita. Somebody's interested in you. Could be an aqua, a fellow air sign, and a water sign. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Sa paganda ito. Okay? Some of you, if this is talking about your health, meron ako nakikitang paggaling. Kung ano man yan. Progress. Okay? Progress. So, what else? There's this somebody na pwedeng darating sa buhay mo. Nasabihin nating kailangan yung magkita talaga. Kailangan yung mag-connect for the better. Okay? What else for air signs? The world. You have the star, the Wheel of Fortune, and the world. Yung travel na nakikita mo or gusto mong mangyari could be, yeah, may chance na mangyari. Okay, some of you, wish mo is makatravel. Mangyayari yun. The Knight of Pentacles. Some of you, you'll save for a travel. Okay? You'll save. What's with this Knight of Pentacles? Some of you, okay, the Four of Pentacles, Universe. Yeah, there's this gastos patungkol sa travel. Patungkol sa travel. I'm hearing migration. Okay? Migration. Doon na titira. Okay? What else? Strength. So, yeah, physical. Okay. I'm hearing physical healing. What's with that strength? Yeah, growth. Some of you, this is talking about expansion. Some of you, yeah, the Ace of Wands, if this is talking about business, in general, there's this energy of moving forward, action, parang ganyan, no? So, yeah, papunta sa stability, papunta sa patibay, parang ganyan. I think, in general, this is talking about, sabihin nating sa paayos. Okay, kung ano man ito. Kung ano man yung parang inaayos mo, finifix mo. Yeah. Some of you, I'm hearing weight gain. Oo. Gain. Physical. Oo. Gain. Yeah. So, meron din ako nakikita rito pwedeng sasalihan na kung ano man, and yes, pwedeng manalo ka doon. Okay? People will notice a lot of changes pagdating sa'yo. Para kang magiging head turner. Okay? Air signs. Yeah. Sa paganda to. There's this victory and success for you. Okay? That's nice. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. What is for you? Fire signs. What is for you, fire signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Message for fire signs. The Chariot in reverse. The Page of Swords in reverse. This is rescheduling. Some of you may na-delay na sked or may na-delay na lakad, na travel. Could be may mangyaring reschedule. Okay? Somebody is stalking you. Could be a water sign or air sign. Tinitingnan nila kung meron na bang pag-usad na nangyayari sa'yo kasi ayaw nilang may pag-usad na mangyayari. Okay? Yeah, the moon in reverse. Some of them, ayaw nilang makikitaan ka ng progress. You're too immature. So, may chance na nababatuhan ka ng evil eye nito, kung sino man to. Protect your energy. What else? Four of Swords. Some of you have to, take some rest. Okay, yeah, the moon in reverse. Iba sa inyo, mentally tired. Yeah. Kailangan mo na parang makahinga-hinga. Okay? Merong pinakita sa panaginip mo. I don't know kung ano yun. That's specific. An answer siguro. Okay? Maging mapagmatsyag ka or sabihin natin, maging tingnan ninyo kung ano bang meron sa panaginip nyo or sa panaginip nyo mamaya. Parang ganyan. Temperance. Somebody wants to connect. Trying to connect maybe. This is like 5D. Wanting to connect with you. Wanting to talk. Pero parang sa panaginip na nakikita. I don't know who. Okay? Could be a Sagittarius, Air, or Pisces. The Sun. Vacation. I don't know. May hahabol. Oo. The Sun. The High Priestess. A secret. Meron ako nakikita dito a surprise coming in. There's this surprise. Okay? I don't know kung ano. What's with this? Some of you don't look at the negative side of the situation. Don't just look at the negative side. There's always a positive side of every situation. Okay? Yeah. The Five of Pentacles. Hindi ka nakakaawa, ha? Yung iba sa inyo eh. Parang tingin mo sa sarili mo nakakaawa. Anyway. So, there's this help coming. Help. Okay? An answer, maybe. Or something na pwedeng mag-uplift. Okay? Mag-uplift ng inyong energy. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Ano no? The Six of Wands. Okay? Anyway. So, there. Yun lamang, mabilisan lang na reading. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Somebody's feeling trapped. I don't know. Let's see. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. The Four of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong nagdaramdam na mother or father figure. May nagdaramdam. Okay. The Magician in reverse. I don't know. Iba sa inyo, may energy na parang meron ditong parang nagamitan ng ritual. I'm sorry. So, nandiyan na yung nai-stress. Anyway. Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Some of you, be careful if you are, trying to conceive. Meron din akong energy na nakikita dito ng, sabihin nating, see death. Try to avoid na magkaroon ng miscarriage hanggat maaari. Tumungo sa mga doctor, okay? OB. Para mas malaman mo kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Meron ako dito nakikitang pregnancy na medyo delicate. Okay? Delicate. Ayaw natin ng miscarriage. What else? Ten of Pentacles. Money. Oh, you're manifesting money. You're manifesting the best of both worlds. Yeah. And it's coming in. Yeah. The best of both worlds. Ang ganda. Okay. You're manifesting maybe the right the right way. Okay? Yeah. Love and money coming in. Diba? Yeah, manifesting. So, may magmamanifest dito. Some of you, meron kang grantor. Napatingin ako kay grantor. Okay? Yeah. What else? May parating na, sabihin natin ito na yung person mo. Talaga, like, ito na siya. Parang ganun. Anong meron dun sa person? Anong meron? The Sun in reversed. Could be a Leo. Some of them pwedeng napapanood sila. Okay? Sabihin natin hindi sila nagpapakita. Hindi sila nagpapakita. Hindi mo alam kung anong totoong meron sa kanya. Pero, yeah, sabihin natin fina-follow siya. Parang ganan. Parang ina-admire siya. Even though hindi siya like talagang open. Parang ganon. No? May ganong characteristic yung person, I think. Mabait. Oh, anyway. So, what else for you, water signs? The Knight of Swords in reverse. And the Two of Pentacles in reverse. You'll reject a message or sabihin natin in general, mayroon kang i-reject. Yeah, a message. Somebody pwedeng lalapit sa'yo. Yeah, i-reject mo. Wala kang gagawin. Some of them pwedeng malapit sa'yo, ha? Could be a father figure. Immature. Oh my. Some of you, meron kang hindi re-replyan nga. Or hindi mo susundin. Okay? Anyway, kasi itong taong to pwedeng magkakos ng delays or pending sa side mo. Okay, so there. Next is, oops, hang on. Earth signs. Sandali lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay. Next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you? Meetings. Okay. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm shuffling. So, Earth signs. What's for you? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's for you? Okay, the Ace of Swords in reversed. Ano yan? Oh, this is nice. Okay. May makaka-release na sa mga sabihin nating bayarin. Okay? May makaka-release na. May maka-approve. Okay. Anyway, what's with this Ace of Swords in reverse? Yeah. The Five of Wands. Mafi-fix rin. Don't worry, Earth signs. Mafi-fix rin kung ano man yung issue ninyo pagdating sa pera. Okay? Iba sa inyo na may problema ngayon, no? So, mafi-fix rin at mafi-fix. Yeah, judgment. Hindi pa to tapos. Okay? Hindi pa dito yung ending na sinasabi. Marami pa. Okay? So, may chance, yes. Mababagong ikot. So, may chance na ibibigay sa'yo kung anong kailangan mo. Okay? Huwag mo lang susukuan, syempre. Oo. So, what else for your Earth signs? Somebody will ask money. Oo, may hingi or hihingi ng tulong sa'yo financial. The Hierophant in reversed. The Six of Wands. You're somebody's, sabihin nating, motivation. I'm hearing merit, proposal for some of you. Okay? May magle-level up pagdating sa isang situation or connection. Commitments. Yeah, Page of Wands. Pwedeng may magtatayo ng small business, may magsisimula. Okay? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. The fortune is at your side. Parang ganyan. Okay, luck natin. Okay, so victory, success is on the way. On your way. Oo, let's see, what else? Parang sa sabihin natin, yeah, there's these challenges na dumarating para ma-mold ka pa. Parang ganyan. Because universe is trying to, parang i-ready ka. Oo, sa next step or sa next level. Okay, hindi ka man pwedeng pumunta sa next level kung ikaw is ganyan pa rin. No? Parang ganun. So, 2 of Cups in reverse. What's that? Okay. The Knight of Cups. Somebody wants to express their emotions for you. Could be a water signs. There could be age gap. Okay. Somebody is concerned. Yeah, the Page of Swords. Concerned. Why the Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Somebody's concerned pagdating sa anak. Okay? Yeah, the Devil in reverse. May mga nag-stalk. Meron ako nakikita dito, sabihin nating hindi mahuli yung kiliti, ng mga anak ng partner. Parang ganyan. Okay? Pero nakuha ko, may chance na totally maging open naman. Okay? Maging open sila sa kung anong meron sa situation ninyo. Okay? So, yeah. Kailangan mo lang talagang maging pasensyoso or pasensyosa sa situation. Okay? So, yeah. Oo, wag mo muna masyado masyadong pagka-stressan. Okay? Kasi iba sa inyo na-stress na eh. So, hayaan nyo, like, unti-unti, sila yung mag-open ng door for you. Okay? So, there, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.